How to get CRL Spectator Badge. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to get 1000 points, and for that just simply open up your browser and search for Supercell event. Then open up very first link and this is where it will take you. Now you have to collect 1000 points in order to get the badge, because that was the case in 2024. Simply open the website and over here, if you are late, simply check out different results. This way you would get an idea about different teams, the one that are winning and the one that are losing, so you would be able to predict it quite well. So simply click on this option of predict now, or you can also check the schedule, and here you need to choose a winner. Suppose we choose this one and we choose this one. This way you have to keep choosing the different teams and then just simply click on this option of submit. And if your prediction is right, you would be getting the points, and you would get the points even for just participating in the prediction. Like earlier it was 20 points, now I have 80 points. So if I get 1000 points, it would be quite possible for me to get the CRL Spectator Badge, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.